Shab-e-Qadr, also known as the Night of Decree, is one of the most important nights in the Islamic calendar. It is believed to be the night when the first verses of the Quran were revealed to the Prophet.
Believe Allah is the only healer. Realize that Allah is the one who heals whomsoever He wills, and He decrees sickness and death for whomsoever He wills. He says, "And if Allah touches you with harm, none can remove it but He, and if He touches you with good, then He is able to do all things." Quran 6:17. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhi.
On 27th night, 4th Shab-e-Qadr, night 12 rakat, with 3 salams. In every rakat after Surah Fatiha, read Surah Qadr 1 times, Surah Ikhlas 15 times. After salam, read Astaghfar 70 times. Rewards. The person praying this namaz will be rewarded with the sawab of liking Prophet's prayings. Insha'Allah 2 rakat. In every rakat after Surah Fatiha, read Surah Qadr 3 times, Surah Ikhlas 27 times. Rewards. Allah will forgive all his previous sins. Insha'Allah 4 rakat, with 2 salams. In every rakat after Surah Fatiha, read Surah Takasur 1 times, Surah Ikhlas 3 times. Rewards. Allah will forgive the tormenting in the Qabr grave and reduce the agony during his death. Insha'Allah 2 rakat. In every rakat after Surah Fatiha, read Surah Ikhlas 7 times. After salam, read the below dua. Astaghfirullahil azimul lazi la ilaha illallahu wal hayyul qayyum wa atubu ilai. Rewards. The namaz is very blessful for getting forgiveness for his sins from Allah. On 27th night, 4th Shab-e-Qadr, night 12 rakat, with 3 salams. In every rakat after Surah Fatiha, read Surah Qadr 1 times, Surah Ikhlas 15 times. After salam, read Astaghfar 70 times. Rewards. The person praying this namaz.
If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel Al Quran for Spiritual Healer. Thanks for watching.